look at what it does to the house. This is before, and just look at it now. It is fantastic.
Nena loca, me tiene loco en la cabeza cuando me tocas. Siento que todo está bien, pero en verdad yo no sé si tú lo sientes también. Entonces quiero saber por qué desde que te vi yo vivo diferente. No me importa a mí lo que dice la gente.
G'day guys, and welcome to Plucks Road. This is what I'm going to call the Arana, because it's certainly the best looking house in Arana Hills. I think you agree. Let's take a look.
Ay, baby, yo te quiero. Es mentira todo lo que te dijeron. Sabes que mi amor por ti es verdadero. Yo te soy fiel, nena, yo te soy sincero. Juro que yo hago de todo pa' ti. Como rábame todo de ti. Y yo te doy todo de mí. Ay, mujer, eres todo pa' mí. Juro que yo hago de todo.
So what do we have on this job here? We have Hiland Tray 265. It is a standing seam product. It's made by Stratco out of Colorbond Monument Matt 0.55 gauge material. It is magnificent, it's beautiful, and when installed perfectly, you get an oil can free architectural look, which is certainly bang for your buck, and certainly modernizes any home.
La mano pegada y los pies en la arena. Pase lo que pase, baby, vale la pena. Yo no sé cómo lo hace, baby, déjame ser el que te complace. En mi mente corriendo base, me quedo contigo, pase lo que pase. Baby, espero que me ames, me tiene volando en el cielo como las aves. Ey, en el Bambinanes, los buen sueños levo, ya lo sabes. Juro que yo hago de todo pa' ti, como rábame todo de ti. Y yo te doy todo de mí.
In love with it. Now this stuff's the same as N-Seam 265 or other companies which supply a standing seam product. They're all the same, they're made the same. However, this one here is by Stratco. We use them, they are very good at supplying, they sort out any of our problems for us, and we're very happy with their service. So Stratco's got a really good name, and it's 100% Colorbond Monument Matt. So it's fantastic. Before we went and threw a bunch of cladding all over it, it looked nice, it was a modern home, it suited the area. It just didn't have that little bit of wow. It needed a coat of paint, and the cracking in the blue board at the joints had started to really get bad, and the owners didn't like it. So here we have a solution that they were able to, this is their vision. Our client's vision was to do this to their house, and here at MyCladders, this is what we've done for them. It looks amazing. We've put in the Monument Matt downpipe to go with it all, and if you see around here, I'll just show you here. This here, there we go. That up there, that's what we call a wraparound corner. Now you may have seen that on other videos. It is how we like to do our corners because it looks so schmick. And you see those flashings up there at that window? We get them all custom made to fit each and every window. So that's Plucks Road, the Arana, and we're so happy that our customers are over the moon with the house and how it's turned out. To all the rest of you YouTubers out there, like, subscribe, hit that ring-a-ding-ding button, and if you like what you see, have a look. Standing seam by MyCladders, we are the experts. And seriously, how good does it look? It's amazing. Oil can free, people. And at MyCladders, we have a 100% oil can free guarantee.
Como rábame todo de ti. Y yo te doy todo de mí. Ay, mujer, eres todo pa' mí. Juro que yo hago de todo pa' ti. Como rábame todo de ti. Y yo te doy todo de mí. Ay, mujer, eres todo pa' mí. Desde que te vi, yo vivo diferente. No me importa a mí lo que dice.
G'day guys, and welcome to Plucks Road.